Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with sleepless nights and restless mornings, you're not alone. Many people experience sleep deficiency, which can affect your overall health and well-being. But did you know that the foods you eat can play a significant role in how well you sleep? Today, we'll uncover the top 5 foods that can help prevent sleep deficiency and improve your sleep quality. Let's dive in. First on our list is almonds. Almonds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in achieving good sleep. Magnesium helps reduce inflammation and can lower cortisol levels, a stress hormone known for interrupting sleep. In a study, participants who consumed a 400 mg magnesium supplement daily experienced better sleep quality. Since almonds offer about 80 mg of magnesium per ounce, incorporating them into your diet can help you reach the recommended intake. Besides aiding sleep, almonds are also a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Try eating a handful of almonds as a pre-bedtime snack or adding almond butter to your evening smoothie for a delicious way to boost your sleep quality. Next, we have kiwi. This vibrant fruit is not only delicious but also high in sleep-enhancing compounds like serotonin and antioxidants. Serotonin helps regulate the sleep cycle by promoting relaxation and reducing the time it takes to fall asleep. Research shows that consuming 2 kiwis an hour before bed improves sleep onset, duration, and efficiency. The antioxidants in kiwi, such as vitamin C and E, also help in reducing oxidative stress, which can interfere with sleep. Incorporate kiwi into your evening routine by adding it to a fruit salad or blending it into a smoothie. Its natural sweetness and health benefits make it a perfect bedtime snack. Our third food is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both of which are known to enhance sleep quality. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and improve serotonin production, while vitamin D regulates sleep-wake cycles. A study found that participants who consumed 300 grams of fatty fish per week experienced improved sleep quality and daytime functioning. The combination of omega-3 and vitamin D helps in achieving deeper, more restful sleep. Include fatty fish in your dinners a few times a week. Grill, bake, or steam the fish for a delicious meal that can also contribute to better sleep. If you're not a fan of fish, consider omega-3 supplements after consulting your healthcare provider. Finding these tips helpful? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Now, let's continue with our top foods to prevent sleep deficiency. Fourth on our list is chamomile tea. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Studies have shown that drinking chamomile tea can improve sleep quality. One study found that postpartum women who drank chamomile tea for 2 weeks reported better sleep quality compared to those who did not. To get the most out of chamomile tea, try having a warm cup about 30 minutes before bed. Add a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness and an extra soothing effect. Last but not least, we have tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone responsible for regulating sleep cycles. Drinking tart cherry juice can increase melatonin levels in the body, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Study showed that adults with insomnia who drank 2 1-cup servings of tart cherry juice daily for 2 weeks experienced significant improvements in sleep duration and quality. The juice's high antioxidant content also aids in overall health. For best results, drink tart cherry juice about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. You can enjoy it on its own or mix it with a bit of water if the taste is too strong. So there you have it, the top 5 foods to prevent sleep deficiency and promote better sleep. Incorporating almonds, kiwi, fatty fish, chamomile tea, and tart cherry juice into your diet can make a significant difference in your sleep quality. Remember, a good night's sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. And gives us thumbs up if you like the video.